Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Ma here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you like. But if you're not new, welcome back. I am showing you guys this makeup look right here. It's like a soft beat but colorful. So just keep on watching. So right now I'm going in with a brown eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. I'm just shaping her eyebrows, and then I'm gonna go in with a brow gel and an angled brush, and that will just fill in the blank spaces and give her real like hairs kind of look. This concealer was like the perfect shade. I used the Tarte shape and the shade Deep. It was the perfect shade for her. So right now I'm just concealing her eyebrows. So that's just cleaning it up, making it look nice, sharp, however we want it to look. We could curve it, give it a high arch or whatever. So yeah, this is just me concealing her eyebrows. This Real Technique brush, I don't know the name of it, but it only comes in the color purple. So when you see it and it has that flat head of the bristles, like it's so perfect to blend out the concealer and just give you a flat surface for what's next. And next we will be doing our eyeshadow. So I love the Matte Book eyeshadow palette. It's very pigmented And what I did was I'm going in with the dark green, it looks like the forest green eyeshadow, and then I go in with the one that was right on top. It's a little lighter. So in my Zulu palette, I'm going in with that yellow shade. I love it, love it, love it. And that's the yellow that we're going to use to go right underneath the brows. And it's going to blend out the green a little bit, just a little bit. In the Magic Mini palette, I'm going to use that beige tan eyeshadow shade. It's just gonna go right. It's gonna look like a fake cut crease, but it's not a harsh cut crease at all. You know, this is just some blending, which is why it's called a soft bead. There's no cut crease in this look. We're just blending. For eyeliner, I'm just using any black eyeliner you can use, but I'm using a liquid one. It just helps get the line, you know, a little straighter, and I'm just going from inner corner to out and winging it. So yes, I do still use Milk Mag for a primer. It just helps. If they're going out, it's nice and sunny. I'm just keeping that primer because it gives it a smooth surface. So as you can see, I'm going in with my eyelash 11s on her. These are from Kiss and Toe Cosmetics, y'all. My website will be linked down below. I'll give the direct link for these actual lashes, and then just for our home page, so you guys can look at other things. We have lip gloss, lashes, and just a whole bunch of other things. The box, the packaging is just so beautiful. So you can use any primer. I use my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I'm not in love with it, but it's what I have, so I'm gonna use it till it's no more in the tube. And actually, I know I held up 2 foundations, but I actually only used one. I used the Fit Me 338. It was perfect, so I didn't really need to add a second foundation color. I am a beauty blender queen. Like, I love using the beauty blender. I'll use the brush sometimes, but in this video I'm using the beauty blender. It just helps move along the process faster as well, but still give that flawless look. So with that same concealer that we used to conceal her eyebrows, perfect for her face. So I used it on her face. We're just using it for the highlighted areas, concealing right underneath her eyes, right above her top lip, her cupid's bow, down the middle of her nose, and a little bit on the forehead. And then I blended that out with my beauty blender. Juvia's Place shade sticks are just so amazing to blend out. So when it comes to contouring, that is what I use now. It's just easy to blend. It's easy to move around. So I used the shade Sokoto on her to bronze, contour her face. We also used it on the nose, and I'm just trying to snatch the nose, so I use a smaller brush to contour the nose. AC Cosmetics setting powder, girl, let's talk about it. I'm using the shade Butternut Beige. It is just perfect. I use that shade on myself. It definitely helps with no flashback when that camera hit. Every single time, it never fails me. So that is what I'm using. I am just setting it on her face. I pressed it in with the beauty blender. I don't really bake. So now I'm going in with my loving Bobbi Brown Deep 4. I use it to set my contour. So it's a setting powder, and I just use it where I did my contour shade. So even up the bridge of the nose, trying to snatch the nose, contour the cheeks. It's amazing. So as you can see, I am using an eyeshadow for the blush. I feel like the eyeshadows are just so pigmented. I have not come across a good blush. Like, I really have not come across a good blush. So I did use the Zulu palette. I used that pink rosy color just to blush her cheeks. Cosmetics. This is the shade Main Chick. It's very bronzy. It gives that gold feel. I love it. It's for our melanin sisters. Love, love, love. Now, just to bring some color back underneath the eyes, I do feel like your look is not complete if you don't do this. So I am taking that green eyeshadow and I'm just making a quick little line under her waterline, just giving some color. Bruh, I don't know if y'all see this. There was some fallout, it got on her cheek. I'm highly mad as hell, like, so I'm trying a way to cover it up. I'm gonna go in with concealer on top, and then I'm going to set it again with the butternut beige powder, and then I just move the blush up a little bit so it can blend a little better, and I top it with the highlight. Like, I really had to troubleshoot this. I was gonna cut it out, but I was like, let me just show y'all a little trick on how easy it is to undo a mistake you did. Okay, so then I'm going in with the Fenty mascara. I think it's called, is it because I'm black? I think, but it's a really good mascara. I like it. So now I'm just outlining her lips with a brown lip pencil. Well, actually, that's the Wet n Wild. It doesn't matter. Any brown. Outline the lips. That's what I did. Then I'm going to go in with some liquid lipstick from NYX. And then we'll go in with Kiss and Toe Cosmetics, our clear, minty flavored lip gloss. It just tops the whole look. With any setting spray, I just take a beauty blender right after that and I set it into the skin. And here is the finished look, y'all. I hope y'all liked this tutorial. If you did, drop a comment, like, subscribe for future videos. I love y'all. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, please. It's Kiki Moi, y'all. Stay tuned for next week and our next video.